Friends, welcome. Tonight I want to talk to you a little bit about the workshop that I'm hosting this Saturday, January 13th from 1 to 5 at Severna Park. It's all about your anxiety, what you do with it, anxiety. Where does it come from? How do you channel it? Do you isolate? Do you wish it would go away? Do you find that it impacts the way that you respond to yourself, to your loved ones, to your job? Yep. All of that and some. So what if you had a coping mechanism? What if you had a way to use a free resource that's called your breath to be able to channel that energy into a positive response? That's what we're going to learn on Saturday. I come from a background of anxiety. I've had it all my life, and it was only last year, 2017, that I actually admitted to you, to myself, to my loved ones, that I have anxiety. I hid from it for so long, so many years. It haunted me, and I hid it because who would believe me in anything that I say if I have anxiety? It didn't have to be like that anymore. And with me coming out, being honest about this anxiety and these anxious thoughts and these anxious responses and the reactions I have, I was only getting more true with myself. To thine own self be true. And so this workshop really couples that idea. It really manifests the idea that anxiety comes from somewhere. It just doesn't come from anywhere. It comes from somewhere. And we can pinpoint that with two pathways. And I'll teach you those pathways. And we'll use breath work as a developing mechanism to be able to cope with when those anxious pathways become ignited. Because trust me, my friends, they're going to happen. It's not ever going to go away completely. We will get better at managing it. But the anxiety will be there. And I'm here to tell you that it's okay. It's okay to be anxious, and it's okay to feel alive during the process, because with the breath, all things are possible. So come be with me on Saturday. It's a 4-hour workshop. We get down, we get real, we breathe together, and we learn about how the breath can really, really, really support our anxiety. You're not alone. I'll leave the information below in the ending title so that you have a way to register, and take a deep breath. Tell yourself it's going to be okay. See you on Saturday.